In the previous lectures, we were able to do some awesome things. We created 2 posts. We chose a theme. We learned how to upload videos from our YouTube. That is very good. Now, I will take us on the overall of the blog so that we will learn how to do many things with our blog. It's very important. Now, you can go ahead and hit on layouts. You can come over here. Go to your page on the blog posts. You can hit on the blog posts and make some edit. Number of posts to be shown on the main page. Maybe after 11 posts, the other posts should not be shown until someone begins to click on them one by one. So if I want only 1 post to be shown on the main page, maybe I will just choose number of posts 1. Remember that is 1 is here. Post page options. You can put the date when the post is being uploaded. I can click on this and choose this to be shown. I can choose posted by Steve to be shown so that people will always know that I am the one who posted it. If you don't want all this, you leave them. You can choose number of comments to be shown, whether 5, 2, or how many. You can always remove comments. Links to posts. You can choose many things. You have many options here. It is very important. So you can add location to show your location. You can add share button for people to share your posts. So there are many things you do here. That is why I needed to touch this course, this particular lecture, so that we understand that we are not limited to only posting. We have more other things to do. I'm going to save this now. Now you can go ahead and view your blog again. And at this time your blog opens. When you go down, you can see that it is only 1 post that is being shown. And when someone comes and click on older posts, that is when he or she we can see all the thousands of posts that you've done so far. If I close this and go back here and hit on show up to 7 posts, I'm going to save it again and go back and view my blog. You can see that the 2 of the posts are being shown until it reaches 7. So you can choose number of posts to be shown to visitors. Now, you can add pages and you can add text. If you want to add a text, for instance, when I view my blog again and go over here, you can see archive. July 27, 2 posts have been shown. I can remove this report abuse and replace them with anything. So I can come over here and I can be able to remove this and save. So no one's going to see the report abuse again. I can put something that is entirely different inside here by doing what? By adding gadgets. So hit on add gadgets and I can come over here and hit on text or images. I can hit on image, click on image, and the title of the image is more digestive courses. I can add a link so that when you click on it, it's going to take you to my page. So if I should add this, I'm going to say udemy.com/George Steve 2. I will go ahead and select an image Let me select any image. This is CSS3 image by GSteve. So I can pick this image and select shrink to fit. It is very important to know about shrink to fit. I've mentioned this before and I repeated it again. Now, my course on CSS, my course on C++, C#, and C program has been uploaded here. I'll go ahead and hit on save, and it is now saved. I will move down this and take it down to or anywhere I want it to be. I can put it here and save arrangement. Let's go ahead and view our blog. Our blog, you can see this here because I put it on the page side. It's not a post. A post will appear here, but my pages is going to appear here. When you click down, you can see that this image is under here, more GSteve courses, and it has a link that when I hit on this link is going to take me straight to my Udemy pages. Because this is not my correct Udemy page, that is why it's not going to take me. But I'm going to take us to my correct Udemy page with my correct link right now. So I'll go over here and hit on more. This is the image. So I'm going to put user/GeorgeSteve. I pressed it here. So this is my Udemy page. I'll go ahead and save this, and now it is saved. Save arrangement and view blog. I want to show us all this so that you might not say that I clicked on my Udemy page and it is not really showing. So go ahead and hit on this, and this will take us to GSteve World Udemy page. So this is my page, and below are my courses. So I hope you really understood that, and it's very easy to follow. I'll go ahead and close this. So this is how you add links and everything. So in the next video, I will show us how to add a page, because it's a different video lecture entirely, and after then we will round up this course. Thank you, and see you in the next video.